Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well and safe at your home. Thank you for stopping by. So today I've created a Saraswati Puja makeup look. So hope you like this look. Agar pasand aaye to please give a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button there. So without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. So I will start by prepping off my skin. So for that I'm using this Wow Vitamin C face cream, which is very hydrating and I just love. And the best part is the dispenser, the pump dispenser, which you don't have to dig your fingers and you have to pull out the product, which is very unhygienic and untidy too. So I just love this packaging. So I'll just press some amount and then I'll apply onto my face. So next I'll do my eyebrows. For that I'm using this Maybelline Nude palette and I'll be using this shade, this brown shade, and which I use on a daily basis also. Like for my eyebrows I use this color only. Yeah, like you can see how much I finished this product. So yeah, so what I do is I take some product, dust it off, and then I draw my eyebrows. I've done with my eyebrows. Now though it's a daytime look, now in Saraswati Puja we don't go for like heavy makeup, as I don't go for heavy makeup. So I will keep it as minimal as possible. So first I'll start with my eye makeup and then I will move to my face makeup. So I'll be wearing a combination of a yellow and green sari. So I'll be first taking this color, and I'll apply onto my outer corner of my eyes as a dark shade. So you can see I have done with both of my eyes. I have put a green color, shimmery green color, bottle green color, because I don't have a perfect parrot green color to this palette. So I have used this bottle green color on my outer corner of my eyes, and now I'll apply the golden shade, as my sari is in yellow color, but in my palette I don't have any yellow shade. So I'll be using this dark golden color on my lid of my eyes. Makeup now I kept it very minimal, just with some golden and green color. If you are wearing a yellow sari, then you can go for some parrot green or yellow combination, but I don't have any of the color in my palette, so I went with these color. So now I'll be completing my base, and again I'll go to my eye makeup. So for my base, I'm using this Pond's BB cream. Now I will not be using any foundation, as it's a day look and I don't want to show or to forecast my makeup very heavy or very dramatic. So I'll be using this basic BB cream and I'm good to go for that purpose. So base, and now I'll put some blush on my cheek and some highlighter. So for that I'll be using this palette from Sugar, and it has all the color starting from bronzer till blusher, highlighter, so I'll be using a very little amount. I want to just show my makeup as simple as possible because it's a day look and I don't want to make it more. And this palette is very pigmented, guys, so you need just little amount. So yeah, so I think I'm done with it. Now I'll be using the mascara from Revlon. So as I'm not putting any eyeliner, so I'll be giving 3 to 4 coats of mascara so as to look my eyelashes more bigger. So I just want to highlight my eyes a little more. So what I'll do is I'll just apply a slight green color. I mean, I'll smudge some green eyeshadow on my waterline. I mean on my lower lashes. So for that I'll be using this same color, the bottle green color, which I used for my eyelid, and I'll just be thoda sa I'll put. Then apply a lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, and this I got from a free sample. I bought so many stuffs from Sugar, so from there I got a free sample, and the shade is 02 Breaking Bear. It's a very nice nude kind of a shade. What's going on? Shade. So I'll apply this. So last but not the least, I'm using a makeup fixer, and this is from Kiss Beauty, as in it's a daytime look and you're exposed to sun, so you need to fix your makeup so that it doesn't melt off, though it's winter season, but still. So I'll apply all over my face.